Good morning to all of you. Welcome to my jurisprudence class. Friends, today in this video we are going to discuss the historical school. Of course, I am not going to tell you anything about historical school or Savigny, but the Volkgeist theory. This is a concept of French. Of course, you all know Savigny, 1744. So he was a German philosopher, Mr. Savigny. His theory or his school of thought is called historical school. So his main idea is law should be based on history, traditions, customs, habits and religion. And mostly he was supported by Montesquieu, then Henry Maine and Rwanta also. Their school is based on the legal theory, the legal maxim, Volkgeist theory. What is Volkgeist? Volk means people, gist means will. So, law should be prepared, law should be made, law should be enforced as per the general will, as per the common will, as per the free will of the people. Otherwise, what will happen? The law cannot be enforced. Very, very difficult to enforce the law. We have seen with our own eyes, the present generation you may be knowing. The present government, central government of India brought 3 agrarian laws, 3 agrarian acts, which are not liked by the people. The people went on strike, particularly the North Indian agriculturists, under the leadership of Rajendra Tikait. Ultimately, what happened? The 3 acts were deleted. That is the effect of the general will of the people. Alright, so you have to depend on the history, traditions, custom. Custom is one of the best sources of law. Of course, I may make another video on this particular topic of custom. Let us have the Volkgeist theory, people's will theory. Actually, this is a French theory. Actually, it will be very, very helpful for the industrialists or business people. Actually, this is that theory. Volkgeist means, please remember. So, people's will, right? No. Volkgeist is the concept of law propounded by Savigny. Volk means people. Then, Geist means their common will. Right? In simple terms, Volkgeist means a general and common perception of the people or spirit of the people. But don't forget Bentham's utilitarian theory. Pleasure and pain. So please remember, people may like something. People are willing to enforce law for something, but not for other things. But still, that has also to be taken into consideration. No doubt, this rule theory, Volkgeist theory says law is the expression. So the deliberately, please remember, law is an expression of the will of the people. So it does not come from deliberate legislation. So please remember, it develops through consciousness of the nation. You all know law is dynamic, it's not static. That means it will change according to the needs of the society. Law will also have to change. That's why so many amendments are coming. Right? So law will be according to the free will of the people. Right? Savigny believed that the evolution of law can be made by taking into account of the history, that is past considerations. What happened? What is history? Yes, definitely what happened before. If you know that, definitely you can understand how to react in the present sense. So, if you do not go to the history, if you do not observe the things, definitely it will create more confusion. Right? So, the principles, they are endowed in certain case laws. Number 1, Sarala Mudgal versus Union of India, 1995. Sarala Mudgal. So, you all know whether Hindu married woman. Hindu married that particular woman and converted into Islam, whether the religion can be changed or not. A Hindu marries a scheduled caste person, whether the caste can be changed or not. No, because of the past traditions, because of the Volkgeist theory. Otherwise, everybody tries to marry NSC and get the advantage of reservations. That's the problem. The second case, John Vallatham and another versus Union of India 2003. John Vallatham, this is a Kerala state case, and 2003. So John Vallatham, he is a priest from Kerala. He contested section 118 of the Indian Succession Act. Actually, what does 118 say? 118 says, bequest to religious charitable uses. So, whenever a man wants to become a priest, he has to bequeath all his properties and he has to donate them to the so-called church. It's not correct. So, he says that it is a discriminatory and against Christians as it imposes unreasonable restrictions. But custom is there. Act is there. You can't help it. So likewise, sometimes the historical school or the Volkgeist theory will help the people. The principles of Volkgeist are: number one, law prevails basically in the society. Yes, law should come out from the society. Law develops like a language. You see, Telugu, so many different dialects are there. Telugu language developed. So this theory, law also develops like a language in a slow manner. Law is a continuous and regular process. Yes, we have to agree. It's a continuous. Amendments are coming. So many new acts are coming. Some acts are being deleted. All these things. Then initial development is natural and developed by jurists. That's why while discussing the moralistic society or divine theory or dharma, I told you, the first is from nature. First is from God. Later, the jurist or jurisprudence, they have developed the so-called legal theories. Right? So this is the essence of Volkgeist theory propounded by Savigny, who was a German philosopher. Right? So you may get a question. That's why I have made this video. Please see it once or twice or see my notes and write some reply. This is ultimately what I want. Thank you.